Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable automatic updates in Windows 11. Now in order for us to get this done, I'm going to show you or demonstrate you a very simple way to do it. All you have to do really is open the services. You can type here, and then once you've opened, you can go ahead and click anything here and type W, and then scroll down until you see Windows Update. Now here, go ahead and click that one, and we're gonna change a few things. Startup type, change this one to disabled. Recovery, change this one to take no action. First failure, take no action, and make sure that the others are the same. Click apply and then go back to general because we're going to go ahead and stop this right now. So now that we have stopped this, double checking everything, go ahead and hit OK. Now, as you can see here, it's no longer running, which means we're no longer going to receive any force update coming from Microsoft. And that, everybody, is the best way for you to disable automatic updates in Windows 11.